So if it is a distribution, how do you ensure that these kind of problems will not be there?
Yeah, and that's extremely important. So that's one of the benefits of open source projects, is to make sure that when you go from one platform to the other platform from a different vendor, you don't have to redo everything. And so from the very beginning, when we've started to containerize Cloud Foundry, we wanted to make sure that it was Cloud Foundry certified, that we were providing the same functionalities, the same compatibility, the same interfaces that traditional upstream Cloud Foundry would do. And actually, we did from the very beginning. Now, same with the Kubernetes aspect. So those two things have to be interoperable and certified. I would say as well that the container make it a little bit easier as well to have compatibility at the application level, right? Because by nature, container are interoperable. Well, I mean, they can run on different platforms. Cloud Foundry was already RunC compatible or RunC compliant. It was actually the first platform to be RunC compliant when the Linux Foundation, SUSE, and a few others started the Open Container Initiative. I don't remember when exactly, but a few years ago. So that's actually a key part of the job of contributions to open source, is to make sure that you don't break that, because otherwise, I mean, it's not helping anybody. It's not helping users. We are doing the same with Stratos, for instance. So Stratos is the SUSE, Cloud Foundry, and Kubernetes dashboard, if you want, but it's also working with upstream Cloud Foundry, upstream Kubernetes, other vendors Cloud Foundry, other vendors Kubernetes. And actually, we see some other companies outside of SUSE using some pieces of technologies that SUSE initiated with their own offering. And that's also one of the benefits of open source, is that not everybody has to redo it, the entire thing. We contribute to each other's products in a way. And that's key. So the certification program in CNCF, the certification program of the Cloud Foundry Foundation have to be met. To me, that's a prerequisite. I don't want to ship any SUSE product if it's not certified by the open source foundation that it uses.